You are highly welcome to International Medical TV. Today in this video, we are going to look at a frequently asked question about bleach underwear. There is a lot of girls that have been asking me what is the reason behind having a bleach underwear. Is that a normal? Shall I go and visit my doctor? Shall I worry about it, or is that a normal? That is what we want to digest in this video. And if it's the first time to watch our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit notification button so you don't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. The returning subscribers, I have to say thanks for your support to this educative YouTube channel. Okay, here we go. Let's get started into the video. Okay. Bleach underwear, this is something which most people keep encountered it at some point of their life. Most of the people feel uncomfortable by seeing a bleed discharge on their underwear, but this is normal and you should not be worried about it. Bleach underwear, this is occurred with the activity of vaginal discharge. Having a bleach underwear, it is normal, you should not be worried about it because this is part of vaginal self-cleaning process. The vaginal pH is around 3.8 to 4.5. That is all you need to know about having a bleach pants, and you should not worry about it. If you learn something new, make sure you hit a subscribe button and share this video to your family and friends. See you in the next video.